If you're wondering how to make symbols like m-, degree, and infinity, you're in the right place. Symbols like degree, m-, Eszett, fractions, and infinity can actually be made easily if you use a phone with Google Keyboard. Through this short tutorial, I'll show you how to create these various symbols. Let's start with the easiest one, creating the Eszett symbol. If you're using an English keyboard, simply long press the S key until options appear, then swipe to the Eszett symbol and release. Now let's write the second symbol, the degree symbol. This symbol is often used for writing temperatures and angles. To type the degree symbol, tap the punctuation and numbers key, then tap the other symbols key. You'll find the degree symbol in this section. But before we continue this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Let's proceed with the tutorial. For the infinity symbol, it's a hidden symbol that you can access by pressing and holding the equals sign until options appear, one of which is the infinity symbol. The fourth symbol is the m-. To access it, tap the punctuation and numbers key, then long press the hyphen key and swipe your finger to the m- symbol. Lastly, I'll show you how to write fractions like 1/2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and so on. To write fractions, press the punctuation and numbers key. If you want to write 1/2, long press the number 1 until fraction options appear. Similarly, you can create fraction symbols from other numbers. It's really easy, right? We'll meet again in the next tutorial.